How to make an email without phone number. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to create an email account without phone number. So first what you want to do is just head over to the mail.com website, so which is the official website where you can easily create a new email address for yourself, and it also provides a cloud storage and secure business email as well as high domain name availability. So we can just click on the sign up for free now button over here, or you can also tap on the sign up button over here. So as you can see, currently my country is not visible for this website, so in that case I will show you from an example. So once you click on create your account or sign up your account, here you will be redirected to this page where you'll have to provide your email address as well as your Mr. or Mrs. name based on your gender and your country as well as the state, date of birth, and choose your password. So once you do all of that, you just have to provide your password and your recovery options. So in this case, you can also choose your SMS. So since we don't want to use our phone number, so you can simply tap on this recovery email address where you will need or require another email address by simply providing the email address to for your password recovery option, and simply click on this I'm not a robot and just click on I agree and create an email address. And just like that, you will be redirected to this page where you will have to activate your account finally. And once you click on this activate your account, you will be heading over to this page and your email address will be successfully created without any phone number. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.